dey watch una.
My people, matters are rising. CBN don raise cash withdrawal limit again. Dem call am reform, but na only big men go fit withdraw big money. Common man still dey queue like say ATM na embassy. Government sef release 185 billion naira to settle gas debts, so light go better. Since morning, I dey find it better. Na only darkness stable pass for this country. And House of Reps still dey chase that 30 billion naira welfare money wey disappear. Money vanish, nobody hear shout. But if na to pay tax, dem no go gree person hear word. Nigerian politicians sabi do magic. Fiam, money don waka. Everywhere you turn, na talk. Action na the rarest mineral for this country. Get your PVC, vote right, defend your vote 2027, and say no to GMO. For this government, na grammar full ground, but na citizens dey pay the bill. Stay sharp.
If you no laugh, you go learn.